Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, then welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhavana Rai and I work on Carnival cruise ship. Currently, I am working and living inside Carnival Magic. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to apply for a job on cruise ship. So please stay tuned and watch my video until the end. This video is in collaboration with Glorious Institute of Hotel Management, and the institute is located in Naya Bazar, Kersheng, Darjeeling District, West Bengal, India. It's ISO certified and offers a 1-year course in hospitality management and guarantees 100% job placement in the hotels like Taj, Oberoi, ITC, Radisson Blu, Lemon Tree, Hyatt Hotels, etc. This is the first institute of Darjeeling Hills to conduct MasterChef competition and received appreciation and outstanding hospitality management by Tourism Government of Sikkim and from Employment Exchange Government of West Bengal, and also from many other 5-star hotels. So if you are or around from Darjeeling district and you want to make your career in hotel industry or cruise industry, then you can contact Glorious IHM or its director Mr. Gagan Lama. He is very friendly, very helpful and very motivational. So I'll give his number and the website in the description box below, so you can just contact him. So moving into our topic, how to apply for a job in cruise industry. Cruise industry offers a number of jobs, but I'm going to talk only about the jobs which is related to hotel industry, like guest services, spa, food and beverage service, galley steward, storekeeper and housekeeping. And if you are looking for any other jobs in this video, then I'm sorry, because I'm talking about the agencies which will hire only for these hotel related jobs. So there are certain criteria to join the cruise industry. You should be 12 pass and you should hold a degree or diploma in hotel management or graduation in any other field, and you should have a minimum experience of 1.5 years to 2 years in hotel industry. And if you are applying for spa or hair stylist, then you should have experience on the same field. And also you should have a basic knowledge of English language, because before joining the ship we are asked to do an online Marlin test where we need to score above 80%. So I'm listing 6 genuine agencies' name. These agencies are actually the hiring partners for certain cruise ships. They will conduct interview for those cruise ships and they will guide the candidates until they join the ship. These agencies' names are as follows: Indus Cruising and Shipping, Airborne Recruiting Private Limited, Carnival Support Services India Private Limited, Ruhi Global Services, Kamaxi Overseas Consultants, and Hiren International. So these are the names of the hiring partners. I'll put the names and also the website in the description box below. You can contact them and you can send them your resume. So once your profile gets selected, they will give you a call back. Otherwise, I recommend you to personally visit the office and submit your resume. So once your profile gets selected, you need to submit your educational and work experience certificate, and you don't need to pay any extra money to the agency. So once you are done with that, you need to sit for a Marlin test. That is an English test where you need to score above 80%, and you need to pay the fees of 2000 rupees. And if you failed on that particular test, you need to reappear with the same amount. And after you are done with that, the agency will arrange you for the final interview with the interviewer of the cruise ship. So once you crack the interview, you are asked to do the medicals. So for the medicals, you need to bear your own amount of approximately 10,000 rupees, maybe little more or less, and you need to do your medicals in the assigned medical centers by the cruise ship. Then we need to attend a very important training called STCW training. This is very compulsory for all the seafarers. So this training will be conducted within 15 days in a marine institute, and we need to pay an amount of 17,000 to 20,000 depending upon the training centers. So your agency will guide you on this. Now after everything is done, we need to go through an important process, and that is the visa interview. So coming to the ship in the US, we need to apply for C1D visa. So for application, our agencies will help us. We need to pay them 11,000 rupees, but we need to personally go for the visa interview. So they will ask us general questions, very easy questions, but very tough to get selected. So from my personal experience, I think we need to be currently working in the hotel industry while we are doing the process for the visa interview. So if you are working somewhere and you are applying for a visa interview for the cruise ship jobs, then it's not easy for you to get selected in the visa interview. So once you crack your visa interview, you will get the joining date from the ship. So your agency will ask you to pay for the flight ticket. So for the first time, you need to pay your own flight ticket, but after finishing one contract with the ship, you don't need to pay them anymore. So again, once you get inside the ship, you will get back the money which you paid for visa interview. The important documents which you need to carry while coming to the cruise ships are your passport and visa, Siemens book, STCW certificates, and your medical certificates. And I want to inform through this video that please do not ask us to refer yourself here in the cruise industry, because unlike hotel industry, we cannot refer anyone in. If you are class 12 pass and really wanted to join the cruise industry, then there is an institute in Chennai called Indus Institute of Hospitality and Culinary Arts. So I will give the name and the website in the description box, so you can contact them and have your queries over there. So I am ending my video here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have more queries, then you can just comment below, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.